Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be using a color shift, and we're going to be shooting those in some jerk baits and maybe some paddle tails. Maybe I might just do some random stuff with the color shift pigment, but this was supposed to be a different video that I'm uploading that I filmed yesterday, and I went to edit it and everything's gone. The whole thing is corrupt. I try to go on the internet and get it all fixed. I try to get some software rescue people to help me out, but when I try to upload the file, it just was gone off my computer too. So this is what I filmed yesterday. Filmed a bunch of paddle tails and a bunch of pearl colors. It was supposed to be a Halloween type color, and that I just went a little crazy on. So I know the lighting isn't very good under here, but I just decided to throw a bunch of pearls and highlights in it, and so kind of sad that that whole video went to waste. I probably spent 4 hours total on that video, which seems like a lot. I was just having a lot of fun, and yeah, just wish that it could be a video for you guys, but guess we'll be doing something else. So if you guys just stay tuned till the end, see the final product, and we'll see you when the plastic's all heated up. Alright, plastic's out of the microwave, up to temp, and today, so I've had these for a while. Dip Your Car, I believe is the name. They've been sitting in the same packaging since when they shipped it out to me, so I think I've only looked at it once when I first got it. Then I kind of put them in the closet and forgot about them. Let's do this black hole color shift. Obviously darkest goes on top, and I don't even remember what these look like. It's been so long. I don't know. Having a hard decision. Phoenix color shift on the right, black hole color shift on the left. Since we got everything picked out color wise, let's open this up. Let me turn the fan off. So that's stuff looks good. So let's get full quarter teaspoon. That's like a lot of the bag already, sadly. And I do not have a full cup of plastic. I got around 3/4. It's because I always seem to make too much. That looks absolutely amazing. Grab this guy. Phoenix color shift. Okay. Got a full quarter teaspoon. So I'm guessing it's like a pink and goldish color. But I guess we'll find out here in a sec. think I was correct about the pink and gold, but we'll see a little bit later. They do need to reheat these, so that's what I'm going to do right now. And I'm going to heat them up, put them in the vacuum chamber, and then next time I see you guys, we'll be ready to shoot. Such an amazing color. Alright, here we go. Alright. There we are, and we will see what they look like here shortly. Everything is set up and good to unveil. So let's see the final product. This will be the first time we're both seeing it, so oh, that looks good. So before I take that one out, I'm actually going to look at this next one because I want to get a thumbnail with both of these in the mold. So this is the 3.75 inch swim bait from Angling AI, and the jerk bait was 5 inch from Angling AI. So ooh. I'm not sure if I'll use that as a thumbnail, but we'll see. So let's take the jerk baits out first. Oh man, that looks amazing. Look at that. Oh man, that looks amazing, if I do say so myself. So throw that one to the side, see what's in here. And as I was saying in the video that got all corrupted, the one I filmed yesterday, I love this mold because it's got this little plate right here, and so when you shoot duals, it pretty much splits the color in two. I mean, you never really have to worry about the darker color getting tainted from the lighter color like you do on this side, but just the fact that you can see how much it splits like that, oh, it's awesome. It's got an orange pink tint to it. I'm pretty sure it's called Dip Your Car. That's where you can pick these up. But I'm gonna heat everything back up and get ready to shoot once again. Okay, everything's mixed up. I mean heated up, I should say. And just gotta mix it up and then we'll shoot it, and then you guys will see what molds that I switched over to. Alright, here we go. Round number 2. Alright, there it is, and we'll see what they look like here in 1 second. Okay, all ready once again. So here's one of the molds that are just randomly selected. Let's see what it looks like. That looks sick. Oh man, that looks sweet. You can see this color. I forgot the color of this. You can see this pop through on the feet / tail. But the body, the top of the body is this. It's like a, oh man, this is one of the best colors I've ever seen in this mold. Like, it works with pretty much everything. And now we're about to open up the next one and see if it really does go good with everything. So we'll throw that in there. This is the Angling AI Frog. So and now this is another Angling AI mold, which you guys will see here in a sec. Finesse worms just look good in everything, I swear. There it is. This is the 4.5-inch finesse worm. And just to let you guys know, if I was gonna make these for an actual customer, I definitely would be adding salt in this. I want to just be throwing plastic around in any mold that I wanted. I'm just making all these videos for demonstration purposes, just to have a little fun. But I just wanted to throw that out there because some of the videos I've made, I don't add salt and things like this when I should. So there's that, and then I got a surprise for you guys that I was actually not going to do, and I was just going to end the video here, but you know, just have some fun with these colors and just add something else to the list, and you guys will see that here in a few minutes. Okay, so as you can see, I switched to 1 cup, brand new plastic, 1 mold, 1 single injector. So some of you may know what I'm about to do. Maybe it'll be in the thumbnail, maybe it won't. I use this golden orange that I used, I think, in the last video. So don't want to get too much, and I don't want to give it away with what I'm doing. Let's just use this. And that may have been too much. Let's give it a little mix. Get all the flakes suspended. Okay. flake is pretty much the same color as this stuff. I just figured I'd use it and see what it looked like, and I did obviously use the C block, mixed both of those together. I thought it'd be a little bit more dark than what it is, but I'm sure you guys can see this one that's a little more yellowish, orangish than the others. When I reheated, you can see that's supposed to be clear. Just look at the difference in these two. I have never had that happen with any other glitter except for this golden orange. See, as you can see, this one, that's when I first heated up the plastic and dumped this right in, and then this is all the remelt. Like, this has such a heavy orange tint to it compared to this one being nice and clear. I don't know if I like this golden orange like I thought I did, at least in clear colors, but clear colors, light colors, I think it only goes good in dark colors. So just an FYI. Yeah, hopefully it's not too long of a video for you guys, but I'm gonna clean up and get ready to hit the hay. So well, hope you guys enjoyed that. Something new. Pretty much everything's always new that I do on my channel, so mostly colors I've never made before. But yeah, if you guys are interested, subscribe, like the video, tell your friends. But yeah, thanks for watching. See you guys in the next one. Hopefully the next one doesn't get all corrupted, but don't forget to like and subscribe.